Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel and today is the final day to go Bali and ये वीडियो ये व्लॉग बाली के बारे में होने वाला है। अभी बज रहे हैं 4:47 एंड हम सबको एट अराउंड 7 PM मुझे इधर से निकलना है और बस आपको मिलूंगा एयरपोर्ट के टाइम। आई होप आप सबने कल का वीडियो देखा होगा, अपडेट ऑफ माय फर्स्ट इंटरनेशनल ट्रिप। अगर आपने नहीं देखा तो प्लीज़ क्लिक ऑन द आई बटन बिलो और प्लीज़ see the link in the description box below to watch that video and to know the full itinerary of my Bali trip. अभी बस चेक इन किया एंड अभी बज रहा है 9:26 एंड एग्जैक्ट 10:40 को है फ्लाइट एंड सो मीट इन द फ्लाइट।
Jasmine, kindly.
जस्ट नाउ रीच्ड मलेशिया। अभी ये दूसरे टर्मिनल में आ चुके हैं सिक्योरिटी चेक इन और करने के बाद। सॉरी, कैमरा का बैटरी इज़ ऑलमोस्ट डेड। वही बस बाली में जाकर चार्ज करूँगा एंड देन आई एंड द वीडियो देयर। इधर चार्ज नहीं कर सकते बिकॉज प्लग सिस्टम ऐसा नहीं है इधर, दैट्स द प्रॉब्लम। इसलिए मैं अभी मोबाइल से शूट कर रहा हूँ। आप लोग को मलेशिया एयरपोर्ट दिखा देता हूँ। सो यू द सम पिक्चर्स ऑफ कोलालमपुर इंटरनेशनल एयरपोर्ट राइट नाउ। So this is the flight.
Stages of this aircraft may differ from others. All baggage should be stowed carefully and secure or under the seat.
A few moments later.
We have arrived in the. So guys, we have arrived in Bali airport. That is Indonesia, Bali.
Few moments later.
So this is the room which we have got. So here is the mirror and the hotel's name is Fame Hotel Sunset Road. So yeah, it's a pure Hollywood type film type. It's a calendar, I think so. And here are some, I don't know what is this. Stay famous, fabulous greetings. Welcome to Fame Hotel Sunset Road. So here the coffee, tea, the water, mugs and all. and this is the lamp, and here it's going to be my workspace. So yeah, it's actress, man. And the view from this hotel's room is nice, good. So yeah, so this is, I don't know who he is, and these are the two beds which we have got. And here's something written, that's the AC over there. And let me show you the washroom. So this is the washroom over here. I have the two towels, one towel over here, and so far so good, wash machine and all. And this is the shower place. Bath gel and shampoo is given here by Fame Hotel. Shower and the light. It's quite good. It is nice. So thank you guys for watching this video. If you loved and enjoyed this video, please hit the like button, comment down below, share with the friends and family. And if you are new to this channel, please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get the latest updates about my videos. Till then, bye, good night, take care, sabak khair. Meet you in the next video. Bye bye, and be safe, travel safe.